chapter similar triangles. So far we completed exercise 8.2. 5 problems are completed. Now in this video we are going to learn the remaining problems, 6th, 7th, 8th problems. See, here the 6th problem. The diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect each other at the point O using the criterion of similarity for two triangles, so that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. So this problem we already completed in exercise 8.1 by using the basic proportionality theorem. But here in exercise 8.2 we have to prove this by using the similarity criteria. See how to prove by using the similarity criteria. Here the ABCD is a trapezium. The diagonals AC and BD are intersect at a point O and AB parallel to CD. Now we have to prove the ratio OA by OC equal to OB by OD. See how to prove the solution. First write the given data. In trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to CD and AC and BD. AC and BD are intersect at O. So both are intersected at O. So what we have to prove? What is our RTP? So required to prove our RTP is OA by OC equal to OB by OD. So for this we have to select the two triangles. Here I am selecting the two triangles. Triangle AOB and triangle COD. So select the triangles. In triangle AOB and the triangle COD. See the given data. So what is given? AB parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel. Then here the AC is a line of transversal. If it is a line of transversal, then we can compare these two angles, angle at C and angle at A. These two angles are alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are equal. Now see, here the given data, from given data AB parallel to CD, then AC is a line of transversal. Then we can compare the angles, angle OAB, here this is the angle OAB equal to, in triangle COD, the angle OCD, angle OCD, angle at A, angle at C. These two angles are equal. These are alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are equal. In the same way, AB parallel to CD, then BD is also a transversal. Then again in the same way, you can also compare these two angles. These two angles are also same alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are equal. So name the angle OBA. Angle OBA equal to angle CDO or ODC. The reason is common. Both the angles are alternate interior angles. And alternate interior angles are equal. So these two angles are equal. If the two in two triangles, the two angles are equal, then the given two triangles are similar by AA similarity. So here I am writing from AA similarity, these two triangles are similar because the two angles are equal. Then the given two triangles are similar. From AA similarity, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. The two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. Then we have, then sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. If the sides are proportional, then we can compare the sides. So write the sides. Total 3 sides you can compare, but I am taking only 2 sides because our RTP contains only 2 sides. So I am comparing only 2 sides. So follow the order of the letters. Here AO, but I am taking OA by the corresponding side in triangle COD is CO, but I am taking OC equal to, next second side, same follow the order, OB by the corresponding side is OD. The corresponding side is OD. So this is our RTP, and it is proved by using the similarity criteria. See, once again, compare the, select the 2 triangles AOB and COD, then AC and BD are the transversals. We can compare the alternate interior angles, and the alternate interior angles are equal. Then from AA similarity, these 2 triangles are similar. If that once the triangles are similar, then we can compare their sides, and the sides are proportional. Here I am taking only 2 sides. So OA by OC equal to OB by OD. So this is our required answer. Now next 7th problem. It is important in exam point of view for 4 marks. Now see, AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD. AB equal to X, CD equal to Y, and PQ equal to Z. Then prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. We have to prove that. See here the diagram. AB, PQ, and CD are perpendicular to the side BD, and AB equal to X, CD equal to Y, PQ equal to Z. It is given, we have to prove 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Now it is important in exam point of view for 4 marks. See, so write the given data. So what is given? Given AB is perpendicular to BD. Next CD is perpendicular to BD, and PQ is also perpendicular to BD. If these 3 are perpendicular to BD, then the angle at B, is equal to 90 degrees, angle at Q is equal to 90 degrees, and angle at D is also equal to 90 degrees. Angle at B, angle at Q, angle at D are 90 degrees. And also write the remaining. AB equal to X, CD equal to Y, and PQ equal to Z. PQ equal to Z is given. So RTP. So what is our RTP? RTP is required to put on this given data. So RTP 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. We have to do this. 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Now for this, select the triangles. You have to select the triangles. Here I am selecting the triangle DQP. In triangle DQP, and the second triangle DBA. The triangle DBA. See the triangle DQP. So this is the triangle, and the second one DBA. So in the triangle, we have to prove these 2 triangles are similar. See how to prove these 2 triangles are similar. Observe here, the D is the common letter. D is the common letter. So we can compare the angle. Angle D equal to angle D. Now this is a common angle. So it is a common for both the triangles. So it is a common angle. And angle at Q and angle at B. Angle at Q and angle at B are 90 degrees. Because these are perpendicular to BD, then angle at Q, angle at B are 90 degrees. So angle Q equal to angle B equal to 90 degrees. It is given in the question itself. So 90 degrees. Now these 2 angles are equal. Means in given the triangles, the 2 angles are equal. Then from AA similarity, The two triangles are similar. Means from AA similarity, the triangle DQP is similar to triangle DBA. Triangle DQP is similar to triangle DBA. These two triangles are similar from AA similarity. If the two triangles are similar, then we can compare their sides because the sides are proportional. Now take the sides. Then sides are proportional. If the sides are proportional, then compare the sides. Here I am taking only two sides because the two sides are required. See how to compare the sides. Follow the order. Here the DQ, first two letters, DQ by next DQ by DB or BD equal to DQ by DB equal to next PQ by AB. These two sides, PQ by AB, the corresponding PQ by AB. Say this is equation number 1. So that is equation number 1. See once again how to compare the sides. In triangle DQP, the side DQ, its corresponding side in triangle DBA is DB. Here the DQ by DB equal to PQ by AB. So this is equation 1. Now in the same way compare the two triangles. Here I am selecting the triangle BQP, the first one, and the second one BDC. So in triangle BQP, triangle BDC, compare the angles. If you observe, here the two letters are same, DB is same in the two triangles. So angle B equal to angle B is the common angle. And next, angle at Q, angle at D, angle at Q, angle at D, both are same 90 degrees. Angle at Q equal to angle at D equal to 90 degrees. It is also given the question itself. So this is given. Next, in two triangles, the two angles are equal. Therefore, from AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. Triangle BQP is similar to triangle BDC. Two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, you can compare the ratios of sides. Sides are proportional. Now select the sides in the same way as we selected the previous triangles. Now see here BQ, follow the order, BQ by BD or DB. Here we already selected DB, so here also I am selecting DB. So BQ by BD, but I am writing here DB equal to next PQ by CD, PQ by CD. So PQ, the corresponding side is CD. So see once again, BQ by DB equal to PQ by CD. So say this is equation number 2. We already completed equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now see this is equation 1 and it is equation 2. Add these two equations. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Sum of these two equations, add left side quantities left side and right side quantities right side separated. So see in equation 1 the left side quantity dq by db, dq by db plus equation 2 left side quantity bq by db equal to equation 1 right side pq by ab, pq by ab plus equation 2 right side pq by c, pq by c. See here, left side, the denominators is same. So sum of the numerators. Add the numerators. dq plus bq by db same equal to, next, see here the right side, numerator is same, bq same. So take bq common. Here in numerator 1 by ab plus here 1 by c, because the pq is common. So numerator values are 1. Next, see what is dq plus bq? dq plus bq, sum of the two sides, dq plus dq is complete length bd or db. Complete length bd or db. So here I am writing db by db equal to, same, substitute the values, write it as it is, dq into 1 by ab plus 1 by c. 1 by AB plus 1 by C. Now see, dB cancel. So here left side only 1. Now right side, PQ. What is the value of PQ? The PQ is Z. So it is given Z into 1 by AB. AB value X and CD value Y. So write 1 by AB value X plus 1 by CD value Y. So 1 by Y. See once again, dB cancel, 1 PQ value Z, 1 by AB value X plus 1 by CD value Y. Now bring Z value left side, is in multiplication, right side in division, or right side in numerator, left side in denominator. 1 by Z equal to 1 by X plus 1 by Y, or you can write this as 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z, which is our required RTP. 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. So this is 1 by X plus 1 by equal to 1 by Z. Now see 8th problem. A flagpole 4 meter tall cast 6 meter shadow. At the same time, a nearby building cast a shadow of 24 meter. How tall is the building? So we have to find out the height of the building. See here, the first one, the flagpole of 4 centimeter tall and its shadow length 6 meters BC. And next, here the building is DE and its shadow length is 24 meters. You have to find out the height of the building. Suppose the height of the building is meters. See, write the given data. The first one given. See, AB equal to flagpole, height of the flagpole, is equal to 4 meters. Next, BC equal to length of the shadow, of flagpole. So it is equal to 6 meters. Next, DE equal to, let DE equal to height of the building, and say it is equal to some H meters. Next, the last one is EF. And EF equal to is given the length of the shadow 24 meters. Length of the shadow of the building and say it is equal to, is given 24 meters. So this is given data. So we have to find out the height of this building DE. So in the same way, compare the triangles. So here in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF, in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF. See, angle at B and angle at E both are 90 degrees. because the pole and the building is stand on the earth. So here the angle at B and at E are equal. Means angle B equal to angle E equal to 90 degrees. And say if you observe, angle at C and angle at F is also equal, because this is the angle of elevation by the sun. Means here is the rays of the sun makes equal angle with the ground level at point C and at point F. Here these two angles are equal, because they are the sun rays which makes equal angle. It is at the same time with the ground level. So here also the same at ground level. These two angles are equal. Angle C equal to angle F. So angle of elevation of sun. Angle of elevation of sun. In two triangles, if two angles are equal, then from AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. So right from AA similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. These two triangles are similar. If the two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. So we can compare their sides. Compare the sides. First, follow the order AB by DE. Here the AB, its corresponding side is DE. So AB by DE is equal to, next BC, its corresponding side is EF. So BC by EF. BC by EF. Substitute the values. AB is 4 meters. So write here AB value 4 meters by DE value is H. You have to find out height of the building. Next BC is 6 meters. Next EF is 24 meters. Now 6 ones are, next 6 4. So cancel. So write here 4 by H equal to 1 by 4. Now do cross multiplication. 1 into H equal to H. Next 4 into 4 equal to 16. So height of the building H equal to 16 meters. Our required height of the building H equal to 16 meters. So height of the building H equal to 16 meters.